on the special 1000th episode of Triad today, and it wouldn't be any kind of special episode if we didn't have these two guys on, and David Daggett, Griff Shuler from Daggett Shuler Attorneys at Law, and we welcome both of you for being here.
Thanks, Jim. Happy 1,000. Flowers, balloons, card. Big day on Triad today.
Awesome.
Yeah, they even brought me some flowers and a card, and we'll get into some of that fun stuff later when I get you guys on the round table. But for right now, folks may remember you. Daggett Shuler's been with us, part of the Triad Today family for 8 years.
Wow.
And so I wanted to go down a list very quickly of some of the great stuff you've done for community service. We'll never have enough time to do it, but let's just sort of, go through some of these things. David, let's start with Safe Sober. What is it? When did it start, and how has it evolved?
Well, we're in the 34th year of our Safe Sober program. We've touched more than 600,000 youth in the Triad over those years. And of course, as you know, the big news over this last year is opening the Safe Sober Teen Center at the YMCA that we have funded an ongoing project. We're serving teens every day, and it's just it's heartwarming. It's fabulous.
Well, and kudos to you guys for that. Now, staying on the theme of young people, Griff, you guys have been involved with school backpack program for a long time. What is it? Who are your partners, and how many schools are usually involved?
Well, we have two main backpack programs that we roll out in each fall. One involves the YMCA, who has been a great partner with us on some of the things in their backpack program. And then, of course, we touch 5 separate Winston-Salem, Forsyth County schools with a backpack program. And that one's really focused on getting backpacks at the beginning of the year to underprivileged kids. And that's been a great partnership with the police department there in Winston-Salem, and awesome.
Gets the kids started out on the right foot. David, let's switch over to Big Brothers Big Sisters, which you guys have supported.
Sure, we've supported Big Brothers Big Sisters. I have the longest running continuous big brother relationship with my little brother Chuck. Love you, Chuck. I think we're starting 43 years. We're in 42 or 43 years. And it's a fabulous organization. And Chuck would say this in unison with me. It's life-changing for both the big and the little.
Absolutely. Great mentoring program. Griff, let's switch over to Second Harvest Food Bank. Why the support for them?
Well, the Second Harvest Food Bank is wonderful. That's something that we typically focus on closer to the holidays, and you've been a big part of that and working with us and bringing that to light. What's so great about Second Harvest Food Bank is they really go to the source of food insecurity and really have done a wonderful job in our community in really fighting that. And bringing about change and getting food to those that need it the most, and that is a partner that we've been very important for David and me through the years.
So many things that we can't even get to. There's so many great things that you guys have been involved in and supported. Down syndrome events, fundraisers, community concerts. Maybe a couple thoughts on those.
Well, and a lot of programs focused on youth, Fusion Soccer,
right.
The Beyond Sports program, which provides balls and athletic gear to police officers so they can establish relationships with underserved youth in our community, which is an investment in our community for the future. Those are big programs.
Right, and I guess with the time we have left in this particular segment, the folks at home might think that, gee, these guys, these Daggett Shuler guys do a lot. They support a lot of things. But you guys have lives too, and yet you take that time to get involved. A couple seconds each on why it's important to get involved.
Well, I think part of it for David and me is every single day, because of what we do as attorneys that help injured and disabled people, we see what happens if people aren't safe. We see what happens when lives are devastated by accidents and things like that. And so it gives you a heart for others and a heart for the community. And a lot of the community events and things that we do are an extension of that.
We have lots of folks like you that join us in wrapping our arms around the community to make our community better for the future. Thank you, Jim.
I appreciate it. No, thank you. Up on screen, DaggettShulerLaw.com, or you can call the guys at 724-1234. You will both be back on various roundtables on this episode, so we'll see you in a few.
Thanks.
We'll be right back.